Good day, everyone. So today is going to be another backtesting session, and today we're going to be backtesting the month of April. But you're wondering, like, bro, like the last video you posted was you backtesting what January, February price action. Where was March? We're jumping now to like the third week of April. So just a little update. Gonna do an update on that. Progress for the first 3 months of the month of for the year of 2023. So this was a 2023 outcome so far. January wasn't really the best month win rate wise, but we had decent. I'm up like 5%, like 5 hour on that month. This was like just me like having problems with my ego because I was like, shit, I'm taking too much discretionary, not really following my system. February had a pretty decent month, only one loss at the month of February. Nothing really much, just like a really good month in my opinion. On February, then March, I had a perfect month, but it was a really tough month for me. I was able to avoid losses, which is a good thing, but I also had a lot of break evens, but those were all earned break evens because I always get edge. I get edge, but there's no SMTs. Like I just get edge. There's not any SMTs, and it's just really insane in my opinion. But there's a lot of times like I'm like I just need a pip or like 1 to 3 pips just to hit TP, then reverse back to my position. Not just really break even, but really like reverse from that point on. So out of that month was a perfect month with a lot of break even that saved me from losses. And this one is April. This was like April last year. And so far, progress April this month. It's doing pretty good. A lot of no trade days so far. I already have like 2 break even days. I had two. No, no, this was March. Oh, my bad, my bad. April so far, I'm on a win streak, 4 day win streak. No trade days during Wednesday to Friday. I only have trades on Monday and Tuesday. I had like a 2 day win streak, then lost here. What was this loss? Oh, it's reversed from that point on. I just really had a wrong jolly to do it. Apart from that, it was an A plus for me. It was a 5 minute inverse, and from like a delivery from a field 15 minutes. So I love it. Really like LR over here, but didn't quite push through from that. But let's see if we can keep winning so far. This was a really big day here. I love it. Then I had like 3% risk, like for me just A plus, and we banged it. Like we risked like 3% here to gain what 8%. It's a really big day. So like we can see here, I'm currently up 12% in this backtesting month so far. So let's go proceed to the third week of April here and start really backtesting. So far, I hope you've been enjoying our backtesting videos. I'll keep it, as short as possible. Uh, just as soon as I get a trade out of it, or comment down below if you like those longer sessions, more like raw or something. So just really just hit me up. It's coming down below all about, all of those things and, just to see the thought processes in my backtesting session. So, all right, let's check the news for the day, April 17. Okay, we have news, so 8:30 news. Did, did we have decent price action on those 8:30 news? No, we didn't really trade any sort of wicks. So, hourly wise, it's quite unclear at the moment. Quite unclear for me. Is this 15 minute intermediate low that I want to get taken out? If you're gonna be just flushing lower, or just take all of these LRs, all right, all of these LRs, or this Asia high, or this London high. But we're gonna reverse definitely from this point on. All right, let's see. Market opens. Did yes, they got low as well. It was this low. I think that's like 5 a.m. low. I mean, we already took that out on. Yeah. So this sell side, pretty much London lows are up here. I'm just gonna sit for now. All right. We just literally run through all of those LRs that I'm trying to take. If you can have some sort of reversal, these are Asia highs, right? No, these are London highs. These are London highs, guys. All right. We have London highs here. All right. This is some sort of buy side. I think we just ran through that London high. Actually, it's checking ES because maybe ES already took that time. I think ES it's extremely lagging right now. 7 a.m. Yeah, extremely lagging. So extremely lagging on ES. Because we're currently just chilling over here. We haven't taken this high yet. And let's see. But for me, I'm still bullish despite that, unless we're right. This 3 minute needs to fall if we're gonna remain bullish. Quite unclear at the moment, so we're just gonna chill. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. Currently had an SMT off of this. I'm bullish of the day. So I have like a sweep of like top part of sell side liquidity here. There's no 5 minute on the lag. There's a 3 minute BPR here though. If I long this, I have to go break even pretty much as soon as that hits. Alright. Are we gonna take this long? I'm leading bullish, so I do think it's valid. There's an SMT off of This right here. I would love to see a higher time frame inversion though. I could take it as early as now and just go break even. We just go for a 101. So if we fail if we fail to remain bullish and go for this London highs, yeah, go break even here. All right. 3 minutes. So we gotta go break even. Just a 101 here. Not super strong conviction though, because we didn't really displace from anything, did we? Minute. Was this 5 minute intermediate low? Okay, we tap like on this 5 minute VPR. So at least, we have to display for somewhere. So, and it's the VPR. All right. I'm taking this long, pretty just short lived, just a 1 minute long. I mean, like a 101 long. Just go break even in the 3 minute. Okay. Let's risk about a percent here. So 20 micros. It's actually not enough. So we can add a little under. I think this will be a little under 1%. Yeah, it's a little under. So 101. All right. Let's log this in. This is what? April 17. So I'm ready to break even. So basically, I'm break even at this point. Yeah, it's gonna be a break even trade. Yeah. Save me from a loss. Yeah. Really good break even there. So you can literally jack from that because it was like a 3 minute BPR. So I really didn't have that much convictions along that to start with. But it was like a type of long I'm willing to take. So there was a break even trade there. So things like this. So this was a break even, another structural break even. Not really the best quality trade. I just really like to take that trade. And I can pretty much break even. Technically, this should be just two candles. So let's say it says two candles here. Not really the best quality trade. I'll give you just two star. All right. If you can get the treatment inversion, I would definitely take this long. All right, we're rejecting off of that. I'm taking this shorts now. My bullish buy is being disrespected. Yeah, being disrespected, guys. Technically, we have like an SMT off of like this highs. Maybe not that high. 938 high. Yeah, we technically have like this higher time frame versus SMT. This high, so these are 5 minute intermediate lows. So I'm gonna go break even at this low. I would like this 15 minute intermediate low to get taken out though, but with this type of ranges, I would rather just take this. It's not a break even. This is where I'm gonna take profit at. Because with this price action, I'm not really seeing that we're gonna do much expansion, but I would love to see this 15 minute intermediate low to get taken out. So, but yeah. Oh yeah, this is gonna be a break even point. Dumbass. So yeah, let's see here. We're gonna actually take this one right here. Gonna break even when this low gets taken out, or if ES starts taking that out, right? Mm-hmm. All right. Pretty strong conviction on this one. The 3 minute was holding pretty strong. So what is my confluence on this trade? You had a 3 minute BPR replacement from a 3 minute BPR here, and really really strong displacement off of it. So um, we had this inversion as well. A pretty strong conviction on this one. All right, a 2 minute intermediate low. All right, so let's take it short. Risking a little over a percent. All right, so I'll log this in real quick. All right, so what was my confluence on this trade? I was actually bullish on the day, but price is presenting us that it doesn't want to go higher. To towards London highs, good sell side liquidity, and we are heavily respecting the stream and BPR. Currently don't have 5 minutes, in this, which is not really the best in my opinion, but you gotta get what you want. Preferably, I just want to get this 5 minute intermediate low, but the RR sucks. So I was looking for this 15 minute intermediate low, which is like a decent draw as well. And we're gonna be break even as long as we take this low. So worst case scenario here, we're gonna be on break even. I don't really see the straight failing. I mean, for me, this is like more like A plus, A minus setup. So I mean, just trust the system, guys. Just trust the system. The SMT here is respecting delivery for the stream and PPR. Got the high software inversion leg with this case at 1 minute, and really strong displacement. And to add also, we have this type of 10 a.m. open high low close. So it's we already logged it in. So just did a trade here. All right. Okay, we took that low, not too quick. It's the same low, 957 low. Yeah. I'm going to break even at this point, guys. Can we? Yeah, we can go break even at this point. Or should we wait? No, I'm going break even because we can literally reject from that point on. Yeah, we can reject from this point on. So going to break even here. First free trade. All right. Yeah, got stopped out there and break even. Let's see what's that bad break even. because we currently have like 3 minutes here. So yeah, that break even saved me from a lot. Two break evens in a day. I'm gonna be done on this day, guys. Um, Pretty much we're just like on a really really choppy day. I do think if I didn't try to really find an entry, this would be a no trade day because as much as possible, I want to have a 5 minute condition, but the 5 minute condition can't quite present itself. So I'm trying to utilize the 3 minute as my conditions with like a 1 minute instead of like a 5 minute condition, then a 3 minute inversions. But yeah, this is a really choppy day. Um, so yeah, it's pretty much gonna be on that day. Just do a little journaling on this trade here. And this one, another break even, two break evens in a day. Uh, the market condition just wasn't really providing us any sort of continuation model. So you really just gotta accept that. Not every single day continuations will be presented. So that's gonna be it for this episode on April, guys. The two trades, two break evens, really unfortunate. But honestly, there's not really high quality entries here. In terms of the market conditions, the market isn't presenting us really great continuation setup or any sort of reversal setup. So it's gonna be all for this episode. Hope you like it, guys, and hope you're enjoying it up there. It's gonna be all. Before we end this video, always reminding that every single time you follow your rules, you will be rewarded. Every time you disobey them, you will be punished. That's all for today's video, guys. Peace out.